How do you want to do this? We got this one.
Okay.
And then we have mine. You want to roll with him? If there is traffic, we just got to roll at the same speed with traffic.
You don't mind being on camera, do you?
No, I don't.
Cool.
You can kick that shit wherever.
Is that something you're gonna get done?
Yeah, it's waiting. They're just using the car to design headers for it. So I'm kind of heat testing headers right now. I put my deposit in August or July of 19.
Wow.
And I got it in April of 21. So yeah, it took a little bit.
Not too bad.
No.
Traffic wasn't bothering. I mean, that's not usually how it is at 3:30. It's usually like 4:35.
So, I mean, it sounds weak with just the headers and the stock exhaust, but hopefully they get that ready next week.
Truck driver Jesus, everyone.
Yeah, where's a spot I can stay where this thing won't get robbed?
Mechanicsburg, Campbell.
Definitely needs a bath.
Alright, so Earl, right?
Aaron.
What is it?
Aaron.
Aaron?
Yeah,
Okay.
Earl Crane's one of my aliases.
Okay.
Yes, that's my made-up stripper name.
What brought you to getting the C8?
I just fell into it. I really just wanted a mid-engine sports car, and like I said, I was fixing to get an Audi, and then this came out, and I could get a brand new C8 for the price of a 10-year-old Audi. Yeah, I'm from Michigan. It just really through the YouTube. I really liked what I saw Shane doing, and working with Whit Moyer. They were willing to work together with the Fab Speed exhaust out here. It all just kind of like one stop. I can just drop it off and let the build happen and come get it when it's done. Just kind of liked it. I liked to see what Shane was doing and his drive to just do whatever. He never said no. I kept throwing crazy ideas at him, and he's just like, yeah, let's do it, absolutely, no problem. And he should have said no on some of it, but he just wouldn't do it. So I can admire somebody like that. It's basically just a stock 3LT C8, but we painted, more than anything, we did paint and color match, and then just a full PPF. So I ordered the color match, but it only did like the rear vents, I don't know, and some other things, but he had these painted. Damn, the Mustang's rowdy. This whole center section is normally black. So we painted that. The mirrors, this was all black, and I wanted that colored. This was actually black, and it just didn't look right, so we colored that. Then this whole vent around the back window, and he can explain that. He wrapped that. He painted a wrap and did it, but all this was normally black. This is actually a wrap. He painted vinyl, the paint color, and then wrapped it. Because you had to pull the rear window. Again, nobody had done this stuff, so he just got into it and was like, we got to pull the whole rear window to get that off. And then other than that, this lower section is normally black. The only we got left is the high wing, which I had painted, but they didn't paint the post, so it doesn't look right. Really, that's it. I mean, right now it's sporting some of Fab Speed's prototype headers and header blankets. You know, they got the header blankets with their headers on it, but the rest of the exhaust is stock until that's its next stop. It's headed from here to get the Valvetronic catback exhaust and probably Sport Cat. Like I said, just one stop. I could just come out here, and working with Shane was pretty awesome. So I'm pretty happy with it. Got to do wheels, and that'll be all it gets. Bronze on the wheels. Probably can't afford the carbon fiber. Waiting to hear from Brixton on what the price would be to do a carbon fiber barrel with a bronze center. But if not, just one-piece bronze. It's a very cool color. And the fact that nobody would pick it made it even better. The response has been good on it.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people tell me the same thing. They've never seen it before. Never seen this color on the car. It really flops around in the sun. And I got it with the natural and black interior, and it kind of all flowed together. I've been happy with it. One of those deals that started as with an $80,000 budget and went from there. But in the end, I didn't really skimp on anything. Yeah, so July of 19. It was a long wait. I got it in April of 21. Yep. But the more that anticipation was, the more I really wanted it.
So where did you get the air kit from?
That's stock GM. Comes right with a Corvette, whatever comes with it. Yeah, at the time I didn't know Shane was working on his own. I would have held out for that, but they kept running out of supply of them. So as soon as I knew I could get one, I put my order in. Like I said, it's going to Fab Speed, so it'll be back for Corvettes of Carlisle.
Oh yeah?
So I'm going to put it in with Shane's stuff there.
When is the event in Carlisle?
I think it's like the 28th, 27th, last week of August. No, sunburn. Leave me alone.
The people want to know.
Huh?
Who you
What?
vote for in 2024?
I don't vote.
So this is like a 6 months of BS before we could get to this.
And then 2 days to do it.
Exactly. It's all back and forth, design, final, change this, change that. So yeah, there you have it, man. So what'd you have lined up for? I know the high wing post you wanted to wrap.
Yeah, that's why I was calling to see if you had any.
It's here, but I
say-
don't know where it. Someone probably rolled it up and hid it somewhere, so we gotta find it. Did anybody find it?
No, you just said it was here, and we
Okay.
didn't look that much, but
Yeah.
I think that would be easy just to wrap that rather than try to paint it and dick with that.
Oh, absolutely.
You
I
know,
was
just throw
I
it.
was already planning on doing that.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
have enough film, so once we get it back, take the bumper off, put the high wing. I was already gonna have it wrapped.
Yeah, and just wrap
Factory
it.
new. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And then just to clear on the side skirts, I told Gary that, be mindful. There's no paint protection on it. They're on there. I didn't drill this hole. I was like, there ain't no way I'm drilling a hole
Oh yeah.
right there. I just
Oh, when did you
stuck
put that on?
today.
Oh, you did that today.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
came in.
Cool. So someone gave you the heads up. Don't drill that.
Yeah, I looked at it and I was like, there's no way I'm drilling that.
Oh,
There's got
thank
tape
you.
on it. I'm
Thank
not drilling that hole.
Yeah, that's pretty easy. You just unscrew a bunch of
Yeah.
bolts.
Yeah, I
Put
did
it
that
on.
first, and then I got to this and
You got to drill in, rivet in.
rivet it all in. It's.
Yeah.
I didn't hold it up enough, so that stuck like halfway on. I tried to pull it off, and it pulled all the tape off, so I had to redo it. And I learned.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's all on.
All right. So yeah, we got Earl here. Drove the whole way from. Where'd you come from?
Michigan.
All the way from Michigan. He purchased a C8 about 6 months ago.
It came in April.
Came in April, so 3, give
Yeah.
or take.
Yeah.
And since then, we paint protected the whole car. Fab Speed's had it. They're doing their R&D on the header system. So he doesn't have the exhaust system, but he does have their header system temporarily.
No, I just got a phone with Garrett. We're leaving it.
Leaving it.
Leaving it with the
done
blankets and
test?
everything.
So that's good?
Well, he's gonna do his dyno and stuff, but
Okay.
they're gonna stay on the car.
All right, and
That's,
then you're getting the Sport Cats
and-
with the 3-inch pipe.
Yeah, the Valvetronic.
So they won't do the Inshane edition.
No, they won't. I tried.
Exhaust system for you. Hey,
tried.
a lot of people have been asking on Instagram, and I'm just telling, text FabSpeed or
Yep.
reach out to FabSpeed and
Let
ask for
them know.
the Inshane exhaust.
Yeah, let them know we want it.
Damn. So listen, when are they putting the exhaust on?
He's supposed to let me know.
Can they have it on before Corvette's a car?
They're
lot?
supposed to. I told
All
them
right.
that was the deadline.
So then you're coming back,
Mm-hmm.
and what we can do is we can do
Yeah.
a rev off.
Yeah.
So I won't have the headers on it. You will.
Yep.
You'll have Sports Cats. I won't.
Yep.
So it should be kind of like
Yeah, should be pretty close.
Yeah, you'll have a 3-inch pipe. I'll have 2.5.
I know after following you yesterday, it definitely is louder
It
than
sounds
the stock.
doesn't it
rowdy.
sound? Does it sound different? Like sound like a little higher?
Yeah.
not like
I
a-
haven't heard too many of them with like 3-inch exhaust.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
this will have. I haven't heard any. So
So
yours
one
has
of-
been the first C8 I've heard with pipes on it.
Yep. Yours probably with the headers gonna be set.
Yeah.
It'll be much louder probably.
Well, we'll see.
But yeah. So you want to check this out right here? So when, all right, I guess let me start by saying, when he brought this in, we paint protected the whole car, but then he wanted to have everything factory matched. So I believe when you got it from factory, they had the handles and
I think the rear vents.
handles and rear vents came in the Zeus bronze. That was the only thing you could get from factory painted to match. We literally painted all the rear diffuser, side mirrors, A-pillars, pretty much everything else. All the vents, everything you see in the front, we factory matched it to the Zeus bronze. Eric Schaefer from Thomas Brown did all the work. And then him and I have developed a pretty cool process where he reached out. Oh, we actually painted these vents too.
Yeah, all in the top.
But when it came to this, when it came to this piece, we literally had to remove the whole rear windshield, and we were both like, dude, this is a brand new car. Like, I think I made the call without even asking you, because I was like, I'm not taking that rear windshield out because it's just, dude, that's awful. You shouldn't have to do that. So we left that in, and then we factory matched a wrap film to wrap this. So here you have paint, here you have wrap film, both Zeus bronze. Definitely some cool stuff to work with paint. And it was, I explained the process.
Yeah.
We're not really going to go into details of how we did it, but it's definitely a cool process, and I think you enjoyed learning.
It works, yeah.
Yeah. We showed him around, showed him the process. Well, I explained it to him on the phone.
Yeah.
But I had to get his approval, so I wasn't gonna do it until he was like, "Oh yeah, dude, go for it." I knew you wouldn't care about
I'm
not
not-
ripping out the windshield or the rear window.
Yeah, I'm
so.
not gonna tell the guy that does this every day how to do it. You know, you
Yeah.
do your job.
All right, so what do you say we get this thing clean?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna get this thing all cleaned up. It's all dirty right now. How the wheel and soot cleaner works in person, and I guess you could get it on film too. I mean, we'll literally show you why we offer it now, because it's absolutely phenomenal. You gotta get the gloves, man. Hate having film and nasty stuff on sticking to my fingers. Ugh. But take a look at these wheels. There's a little bit of brake dust. Spray the tire down, spray the wheel. Spray this on, you watch the soot just fall right off. It's amazing. Dude, we could start up a new service on NASCAR and the pit crew. 45 seconds, clean the wheels quick.
You could do it at the stoplights. Like
Yeah. just
Start
wait.
cleaning
Hey,
the
you need your
windshield.
wheel. Forget the windshield. Need your
Yeah.
wheels clean. Oh, I
Yeah.
got you.
I'll cut your deal on those headers if you just like them. Let's just do that.
Yeah.
An R&D discount.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I guess we'll let you get on your way.
So that'll be, we'll plan on to get with you, maybe come back the week before.
Absolutely.
Carlisle.
We'll get this all done, get the aero kit.
Just pick it up from them.
Yeah, you'll get to meet, I think Brian Lake's coming in, so he'll do the aero kit on his car, so you get to meet him.
Yeah.
Maybe a few others. I don't really know any details yet.
Right.
Thursday to Sunday, yeah.
I'll
Friday and Saturday. Saturday's the day.
You're right.
Friday's kind of cool. It's a work day. Like Thursday, Friday's work days.
Right.
So Saturday is the Grand Salami. We'll have a blast.
So do you go up there all for the whole?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll go hang out. All right, man.
Gotta keep hustling.
Absolutely. Have a safe trip, brother.
Yeah, thanks.
We'll talk to you in 3 weeks.
All right.
All right, see ya. All right, yeah, you guys got to go too. I'm out. I'm tired.